Nirok sigo jeng tini teman bagaro paika Saturday wo kaisa paper leak mani nirok nukhana je TTDC government recruitment ngi tongu 110 posts aro Saturday wo kaisa paper leak ngka and aro thousands of students borok out law five settle ngka then jeng je for information maka jeng amono inquiry khaika am genuine then we find it very genuine boni bagai jeng kaisa press list khaika dino and kabangma applicants rok sono contact khaika borok tema khainai and jeng saka don't worry no justice jeng serve khainai and jeng tini aro governor bai malaigani phaijak jeng bono appeal khaika to give CBI inquiry je mansak daiti CBI inquiry rogai reschedule khai exam no borok exam marathon jeng appeal khaika and je culprit je o chaya samongo tongnai borok no punishment rogon bai jeng appeal khaika
governor ke kam
governor bo to 13 tarikh khainai bo out of station but secretary no jeng rokha and bo place khainai bo saka tini bising na governor no place khaijagan and immediate action ajagan